Hello. Today we are doing a super exciting video. It's just a realistic, less is more, 5-minute-ish makeup tutorial. I sometimes want to look put together, look presentable, look kind of chic, but minimal chic. So what actually brought on this video is Merit Beauty sent me some products. I started really trying the products and I fell in love with a few of them, you guys. So I really just wanted to show you what I had been doing for these very quick looks. And their whole motto is really understated. They're a clean brand. This is not sponsored. It sounds like it is, but it is not. This is not sponsored. They just gifted me the products. And like I said, I really enjoyed them. So I wanted to show you guys how I had been using them and my other products. So a full face, but I love what the brand is all about. They're vegan, sustainable packaging, recyclable, all of those good things, cruelty-free. And I really want to get more into that because we're putting these things on our skin. We are eating these things on our lips, you know? So that's what really got me looking into clean beauty. So no foundation in this. You guys will see as we're applying everything, but I wanted to let you know what kind of inspired me to do this video, this look. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe. Also, if you are new here, I use all natural lighting. I want you guys to see my skin, my redness, pores, rosacea, everything, and how all of these products cover, how they sit on the skin. Natural lighting really makes a huge difference when you're doing tutorials and when you're trying products. I want you guys to see how it looks, how it feels, how it sits on texture. And you guys get to see that here on my channel. So I hope you enjoy. If you do, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. And let's hop in. Okay, so no foundation in this, but I am going to use the Erborian CC Red Correct. It just gives my skin something, it kind of evens it out a little bit. So I'm going to kind of put everything on and then we'll talk about each product afterward because I want to show you guys how quickly this really is. I mean, 5 minutes is like no time at all, but it can totally get it done. All right, so Erborian is going on now. I use this with my fingertips, put in between, and then start rubbing it on the skin. I'm really focusing on the cheeks. I don't really have a whole lot of redness on the forehead. So just rub that in. Nothing, you know, crazy here. We are going to use concealer. So that's really where our coverage is going to come from. It leaves a really nice glow on your skin as well where it has SPF. I'm going to go in with the Hynt Duet Concealer. I'm not going in with too much. It's just enough to cover a little bit and just really even out the skin tone. We're going for quick, easy, and not overdone here. And it really is that simple. This brush makes a huge difference. This is the It Brushes for Ulta, number 103. I guess I could scoot in so you guys could see the skin a little bit better, huh? And then I just put a little bit on my nose to cover up that redness that it's so great. Got a little bit too much on my brush just then, so I'm just going to add it to the under eye. You can put concealer on the eyelids if yours are super discolored, any of that stuff. You guys know that. Do what you need to do for your skin to look the best it can. For bronzer, we're going in with the Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer. This is kind of up to you. Sometimes I skip this step, but where I am super pale, where it is winter, I want a little bit of warmth, a little bit of color. And I just push, push, push. And somehow it really does make a huge, huge difference. And then a wee bit on the forehead. Now for blush, we're actually going to multitask. This is from Merit. I have a couple different Merit Merit products here. This is the Shade Slick Tinted Lip Oil in Sangria. Don't let the name oil fool you or scare you. I put this on the back of my hand. You see that? And then I take my little brush and just bounce, bounce, bounce. And then we put this right on the cheek. It gives a beautiful glow. It really does last all day. It's really shocking because you think oil, well, it's gonna wear off super quickly, but it really doesn't. And I just love, love, love the way this looks on the cheeks. You guys have seen me use lipstick on the cheek before. It just makes an impact. It does. And I love it. I really do. If you want to set this down, you absolutely can. No big deal there. I kind of bring it up, and then if you didn't want to use highlighter, you don't have to because you already have a glow. But for highlighter, again, by Merit, oh my gosh. So I just run this. This is the Bounce Highlighting Balm. I run it between my fingers. This is so gorgeous, you guys. You can build it up to the desired intensity if you want that really boom in your face highlight. That's not what I personally like. It's just beautiful, natural, glowing skin. I love this, and I love multi-use products. I do. I'm going to just lightly set the under eyes. I know for me, that is something that I always do, no matter how quickly I am doing my makeup. Oh, I already had lashes on. I mean, I always have lashes on. That takes me legit 2 seconds. And then this is another Merit product. This is the Volumizing Pomade in Brown. This has a bigger spoolie than I typically like, but you guys, it's gorgeous. It does not leave the brows super hard. That's one thing for me that I've started not liking. I don't like the super crunchy brows. This doesn't do that. They're flexible. Think of like a flexible hold hairspray. It's like that. Not super hard. I mean, wow, wow. The brow looks amazing. And it's so simple, so easy. This whole understated look, I love it. Oh, okay, I just threw that. Back to the lip. Watch this. Oh, color. So pigmented. Feels amazing on the lips. This isn't, I mean, it's a lip oil, so on the lips, it's not super duper long wearing. But this is something you could reapply and you don't even need a mirror, in my opinion. And boom, done that quickly. Like, wow, you could be out the door in 5 minutes. So let's go back and talk about these products a little bit more. The Merit products were sent to me, and I wanted to give them a good go. I have been using them, and I've absolutely fallen in love with them. Truly. They are a minimalist brand. They're clean and vegan and cruelty-free, and I love that. And they're kind of game changers for me. I'm just gonna say it. If you've been watching my channel for any amount of time, you know this past spring and summer, I just wanted light makeup, not full coverage, just enough to look put together. And even if you wanted to amp up this look, throw on some eyeshadow and you'd be completely set. It wouldn't even look like a 5-minute makeup look or a 10-minute makeup look. It wouldn't look quick at all. It would just be wow. But these products are so, so good. Like I said, they did send these to me. And these 3 products I absolutely love. I mean love. The lip oil, beautiful on the lips, very moisturizing. There's no bad ingredients in this. These are non-toxic ingredients. You cannot beat it. So I don't feel bad putting this on my lips. And then you guys seen, multitasker, and if you have oily skin, you may want to set it or put another blush on top. But for me and my normal skin, this just works. It lasts, it does not sink into my skin, it's not patchy, it's beautiful. You guys seen with the brows, it's just easy, beautiful color. If I had to choose two, it would be the lip oil and the Bounce highlighting balm. You guys seen, I mean, what else can I say? It's natural. You can wear just a little bit of it. It's not a glitter streak on your skin, because I'm so over that. The really in your face Becca or Ofra highlighters. I'm over it. I'm over it. I like the more natural look, and that's what this gives. Minimal, beautiful, gorgeous. Again, if you have been with me on my channel for a bit, you know I love this Tarte bronzer. Love, love, love this product. It's just so easy. It's a beautiful color and it's fast. Now, the Erborian CC Red Correct, we have a love-hate relationship, she and I. This works for me, and I love the way it looks when I am my lightest, like my actual skin tone. I have to be really, really light for this to work. My lightest for me is still about a medium skin tone. And once I get darker in spring and summer, this does not work any longer. But you guys, if you can make this work, if the tone that it comes out to be works for you, it is really pretty. It does cover some of the redness, but I love the overall glow it leaves. It's just very, very pretty. So again, I hope you enjoyed this less is more kind of makeup look. 5 minutes, we did it. Again, it takes me a little bit longer talking, but I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love this very minimal, easy but chic look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.